If you're looking to find profitable opportunities on Amazon, knowing how to leverage JungleScout's Opportunity Finder can give you a significant edge. In this quick guide, we're going to dive into how you can use this powerful tool to uncover top-selling products and uncover hidden gems that could be the perfect fit for your business. Stick around to see how you can start making smarter, data-driven decisions to boost your Amazon sales. First off, what exactly is JungleScout's Opportunity Finder? It's a tool designed to help you discover profitable product niches and understand what is in demand. By using it, you'll gain insights into categories and products with high potential. The Opportunity Finder is especially useful if you're starting a new Amazon business or looking to expand your product portfolio. Now, let's break down how to use the Opportunity Finder effectively. After you log into JungleScout, head over to the Opportunity Finder tool. The interface is pretty straightforward. You can start by filtering through different categories. Whether you're interested in home goods, electronics, or beauty products, you can adjust the settings to zero in on the category that aligns with your goals. What makes the Opportunity Finder so powerful is its ability to show you exactly how products are performing on Amazon. It uses data-driven insights, like sales estimates, reviews, and average price points, to help you identify which products have low competition but high demand. This gives you a unique opportunity to tap into niches that might be overlooked by your competitors. Once you've chosen a category, you can further narrow down the results using filters. You can adjust the minimum and maximum sales volume, the average price, or even set the rating filter to find products that meet your specific criteria. This allows you to identify products that are not only in demand, but also within a price range that makes sense for your business. The Opportunity Finder also allows you to get a sense of the competition. It shows how many sellers are offering similar products, the average number of reviews, and how those products are ranking. This is key information because it tells you whether the market is saturated or if there's room for you to enter and compete. You can also view the data behind the product's success. For example, if a product is making a lot of sales, you can see why. Is it because of a unique feature, a strong brand presence, or the product's price? This analysis gives you the insight to replicate success and avoid mistakes that others have made. What's even better is that JungleScout's Opportunity Finder lets you compare potential products side by side. This comparison feature helps you evaluate different products based on key metrics, so you don't waste time on those that won't work. With this tool, you can prioritize your research on only the most promising options. In addition to product research, JungleScout's Opportunity Finder allows you to track market trends. The tool can show you whether a product's popularity is growing or if it's on the decline. You can base your decisions on solid, up-to-date data to ensure that you're always a step ahead of the competition. If you're new to JungleScout or Amazon selling in general, the Opportunity Finder is an invaluable resource. It's designed to save you time and effort by showing you the most profitable paths to explore. And it's perfect for beginners who want to avoid wasting time on product ideas that don't have potential. Now, as a special offer, you can access JungleScout's Opportunity Finder for free with our exclusive extended trial through the link in the description below. This trial gives you a great opportunity to test out the tool and start uncovering profitable opportunities on Amazon without any upfront commitment. Don't miss out on this chance to streamline your product research and make smarter business decisions from the get-go. To recap, JungleScout's Opportunity Finder is a game-changing tool that helps you uncover high-demand products, analyze the competition, and track market trends. If you're serious about succeeding on Amazon, this tool is a must-have in your toolkit. Check out the exclusive free trial through the link below and start discovering profitable product niches today. Happy selling!